Hey Jack, why you got the loader under the shelter?
Well, the loader is under the shelter today because a log fell off the log truck when I was unloading it, and it came and fell on top of the loader and scared the fuck out of me. Busted the window out, blew the side window out, and I shit my britches.
Yeah. It looks like you could have tasted the end of that log.
I think I did. I think I did.
Slow motion of Final Destination. You want to go, but you don't want to go that way, do you?
I do not want to get hit by a log and die.
I'm gonna say you come pretty close, Bubba. I'm gonna say you come pretty within about 6 inches.
So unloading right here, the glass was actually concaved in here, and the two mirrors were holding the glass up right here. So the glass was actually 12 inches from my face the whole time.
Gonna need a little sledgehammer work. It can be salvaged. I don't think a piece of glass will ever fit back in here, but we can glue a piece of safety glass or plexiglass in there, so it's not a open. You say that was not clean?
That was clean. That was sitting like that right there. It hit it so fucking hard.
You can probably take the molding out. You're not gonna ever need that again.
Don't mess with my windshield wiper now. That's in good shape.
Look at the money you'll save on washer fluid now.
That's exactly right.
Donnell can clean his glasses when he cuts that on now.
So for all you guys watching the page on the Sawyer's crap gone wrong,
hey,
it's not always Donnell's fault.
Here's your radio.
Yeah.
I don't know where it goes there.
That's the radio.
Office, over.
Houston, we have a problem.
Yeah, what's wrong? Hey, just call Sears. We'll be out in the morning. Well, I'm glad you won't hurt.
Yeah.
Other than
my britches.
Your britches. Hey, just leave it like this and ask Donnell in Monday morning.
What the fuck did you do to it?
Oh my God. Yeah, I think we can get the sledgehammer and beat that up.
Let me go get that.
Yeah, get the sledgehammer. I can knock that back up and find a big adjustable wrench. I can pry that out. At least get it back straight. We can glue a piece of plexi in here fine and dandy. I don't know if that'll ever get back straight enough to be able to put a piece of glass in there. It tapers down probably 3/4 of an inch. I don't know, if I whack that a few times, it might straighten it up. We'll pull that side glass out. Yeah. Oh my, oh my. You should go get a lottery ticket tonight.
I got one already.
Okay.
Hey, would the mini work?
Yeah. Find an adjustable wrench though, because I can do more with that than the sledgehammer.
I've got 3 of them, but you know how that rolls.
Or go get one of your 10 pipe wrenches you got at the yard sale the other weekend.
Yeah, them motherfuckers are way up at the other side.
Hey, don't get wet. Hurry it up now. Does the blinky light work on this thing?
Yeah.
You probably should have cut it on.
It does now.
I like the strobe light. Alright, let me see if I can beat this out a little bit. We can just kind of... I can do a little work on that. Be nice if I had a big adjustable wrench I could put in there and beat up on it. Let me see what I can do to it. This is Chris and Jack's paintless dent repair.
If y'all need any work done, call us.
You might not have any paint left, but you won't We do not do painting. You know, I'm swinging left-handed and I'm
And
right-handed.
you're scaring the shit out of me.
This is actually working rather well. Hey, you just want to leave the 2x4?
Yeah. Well, hey, we'll mount the plexiglass of the 2x4.
It actually probably wouldn't be a bad
probably
idea.
wouldn't be.
Then you could, would that leave him a blind spot?
It doesn't matter. Does it fucking matter?
Hey, cut the flashy light on.
I don't know how you cut the damn flashing light on.
Cut the key on first.
I know that.
It's probably one of those toggles. Just don't hit the wire.
Yeah, that's the, is that it?
That is not it.
That's not it.
We need the blinky light. Do the headlights even work on this one?
Uh-oh!
The smashed one works. Oh well.
Oh. No,
Hey, the horn works.
horn works. Donnell had it on the other day.
Did he really?
Yeah.
He must
So
have.
I know it does work, or it used to.
It's one of those. Oh well. I'll have to figure it out. Alright, let me put the camera down so I can actually hit and not hit you.
My leg's getting tired.
Okay, well just keep